India is a land of festivals. There are more festivals celebrated in India than anywhere else in the world. Each festival pertains to different occasions. Some welcome the seasons of the year, the harvest, the rains, or the full moon. Others celebrate religious occasions, the birthday of divine beings, or the advent of the new year. A number of these festivals are common to most parts of India. However, they may be called by different names in various parts of the country or may be celebrated in a different fashion. Let's know about these festivals one by one. Christmas. The first Christmas is estimated to be around 336 AD in Rome. It is celebrated on 25th December all over the world. The birth of Jesus Christ, the Son of God. It is regarded as one of the most important of all Christian festivals. It is a public holiday in India and most of the other countries. Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan celebrated on the full moon day of the Hindu month of Shravana. This festival celebrates the love of a brother for his sister. On this day, sisters tie Rakhi on the wrist of their brothers to protect them against evil influences and pray for their long life and happiness. They in turn give a gift which is a promise that they will protect their sisters from any harm. Diwali. Deepavali or Diwali is a festival of lights symbolizing the victory of truth and the lifting of spiritual darkness. The word Deepavali literally means rows of diyas. This is one of the most popular festival in the Hindu calendar. It is celebrated on the 15th day of Kartik. This festival, Lord Rama's return to his kingdom Ayodhya after completing his 14-year exile. Guru Nanak Jayanti, the birth anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev, the founder of the Sikh faith. The first of the 10th Sikh Gurus, Guru Nanak was born in 1469 at Talwandi near Lahore. The festive event of Guru Nanak Jayanti includes the 3-day Akhand Path, during which the Guru Granth Sahib, the holy book of the Sikhs, is read out from the beginning to the end without a break. On the day of the main event, the Granth Sahib is ornamented with flowers. Holi. Holi is one of the famous festivals of India, celebrated with a lot of happiness. It is also known as the Festival of Colors. People make huge Holika bonfires and sing and dance around it. On the day of Holi, people gather in open areas and apply dry and wet colors of multiple hues to each other, with some carrying water guns and colored water filled balloons. It signifies the victory of good over evil and the arrival of spring. Dashera. It is also known as Vijayadashmi, is also among the most famous festivals of India in Hindu. It is celebrated in different forms of country-wide. Ramlila is held everywhere for 10 days. It's finished with Ravan Dahan. It celebrates the death of the demon king Ravana at the hands of Lord Rama. Durga Puja, one of the important Hindu festivals of India. Durga Puja is celebrated by Bengalis throughout the country and is ranked as one of the top in the list of religious festival of India. The 10 days of fast, feast and worship of goddess Durga by cultural songs, dance and dramas. Huge and beautiful Durga idols are made and placed in specially made artistic pandals. People dress in traditional wear and go around the pandals hoping, praying, and feasting. Saraswati Puja. Basant Panchami is also called Saraswati Puja. Basant Panchami is celebrated in the month of January and February. While it might be a Hindu festival, lot of other religions in India such as Islam, Christianity and Sikhs also celebrate Basant Panchami. On the day of Basant Panchami, people visit Saraswati temples or worship Saraswati in their own homes. As a traditional practice, students keep their books, pens, textbooks, and even spectacles near Goddess Saraswati. It is believed that anyone who believes in Goddess Saraswati will be knowledgeable by nature. Ramjan or Ramadan is a holy month of Muslims. They offer prayers and fast during the entire month. Ramzan Eid, also known as Eid al-Fitr, marks the end of the fasting period. It is a religious holiday for Muslims and it is celebrated across various parts of the country. Buddha Purnima. Buddha Purnima is a major religious festival of the Buddhists celebrated worldwide. Buddha Purnima is observed to mark the birth and death anniversary of Lord Buddha. The childhood name of Lord Buddha was Siddhartha Gautam, who later became Buddha. Gautam Buddha was born in Lumbini, Nepal around 563 or 483 BC in a royal family. Siddhartha Gautam was born and brought up with all comforts and luxuries of life. On Buddha Purnima, people remember the techniques and sermons of Lord Buddha. Onam. Onam is a popular cultural festival that is celebrated in the state of India, Kerala. It is usually a 4-day festival that is approved as the official festival of the state by the government of Kerala. Onam is celebrated to Lord Vishnu and also an incarnation of Lord Vishnu known as Lord Vamana. The festival of Onam consists of delicious food, folk dance, gaming, boating, and other celebrations. Onam festival also celebrates the homecoming of King Mahabali.